Max Liu.
I'm Katie Whalen.
And I'm Carolyn Tolbert, and we're Group Q. Each team member was equally involved in creating the AEV and the code.
Today we will talk about setup, design development, and final design and testing.
The goal of this project was to create an energy-efficient AEV to run on the test track and complete the objectives, which are to travel to the gate, wait for 7 seconds for the gate to open, then travel to pick up the baby dinosaurs, stopping again for 7 seconds, then travel back to the gate, waiting for 7 seconds for the gate to open, and finally travel to the visitor center to drop off the baby dinosaurs. This AEV with the final code will then be presented to the executives at Jurassic Park.
Group Q took aspects from every member's individual design to create Design A. Group Q believed that in theory this design was energy efficient. The larger 30-30 propellers were placed on wings due to the fact that each member had this aspect on their design. We believed that using the wings would give the AEV more power when looking at the front. The wheels were offset to the right in order to create a more balanced vehicle. A rectangular base was chosen due to its simplicity. Since our main focus were the wings, we believed that it was unnecessary to have a complex base.
After looking at the efficiency and weight for Design A, Group Q decided to construct a different AEV that they hoped would weigh less and be more efficient. The same 30-30 propellers were used, but this time the 30-30 propeller would be used as a pooler, which is when it is the most efficient on the way back to the visitor center, or when it is carrying the most weight. The wings were removed and an I-formation base was used. This would result in less weight while creating more effective space that would be used by the battery, Arduino, wheels, and propellers. The propellers were placed on the back end of the AEV so that it would only act as a puller or a pusher at one time, allowing the AEV to be the most efficient when carrying the most weight. Because the new AEV had only a base and no wings, less pieces were used, making the AEV more cost-efficient and more durable. In addition, the new AEV required less maintenance.
This AEV proved to weigh less and be more efficient. For this AEV, a code was developed, and with this code, the AEV was able to complete all of the necessary tasks. In order to create an efficient code, the AEV traveled at a constant speed when traveling from one destination to the next, and only stopped and restarted when absolutely necessary. In closing, the main takeaway when developing the final AEV was the importance of weight and how less weight led to a more energy-efficient AEV.
In addition, an effective AEV that completes all of the tasks does not necessarily make it efficient.
The most effective and efficient AEV was created by Group Q because we were able to work together and balance out each other's strengths and weaknesses.